Wait, it's actually cool. The fruits became a piano. This is Insight One's Happy Fruit Piano. I wasn't sure if touching a banana would actually create music. Today, I'm going to try out this ESP32 STEM Learning Kit and see if I, a complete beginner, can build this Happy Fruit Piano. Inside the kit, we have hardware components such as the ESP32 S3 board, the Xiaozi AI module, the breadboard, the jumper wires, the RGB LED strip, the OLED screen, a passive buzzer, and more. At first, I don't need to understand every single part. Since this kit is made for kids and beginners, I just need to follow the lesson material step by step and see what I can build. When you get this kit, you also get access to video lessons, quizzes, hands-on projects to help you start your learning journey. The final goal is to build a flute piano with three main features. First, the free play mode, guide mode, and the wireless control using the Xiaozi AI module. The first step is to download and prepare the software tools needed for the project. Don't worry, the kit includes detailed step-by-step instructions. This part looks technical at first, but the guide explains everything in order. I just followed each step one by one. Now, it's time to wire everything together. Since I don't understand everything yet, I'm following the instructions carefully to make sure each component is where it should be. This is the part where I had to slow down to double check each connection. If even one wire is in the wrong place, the piano might not work properly. After wiring everything, it's time to upload the program to the ESP32S3 board. Just like the instructions, the code is also provided so beginners can follow along more easily. Open the provided codes using the Arduino IDE and select the correct board and port. Click the Verify button to compile and check the code. Then click the Upload button to upload the program to the ESP32S3 board. It's time to test the piano. If you've also noticed, I have connected the flutes to the piano. And would you look at that? One flute key is not responding. Well, I guess it's part of the process. Now, it's time to figure out what went wrong. This is where I realized that debugging is part of every project. Even if you follow the guide carefully, mistakes are bound to happen. Okay, I'm not going to say that I was a problem, but I was. I placed one wire in the wrong spot, so the program could not detect the carrot. Before testing everything again, I also want to show the learning materials included in the product. These materials help me understand what I was doing instead of just following the steps. The LMS includes videos, quizzes, guides, and instructions that support the hands-on activities. This makes it easier to learn coding and electronics while building the project. Now that everything is fixed, I'm excited to test the piano again. It works! Come, look at this. This is free play mode. When I touch a fruit, the buzzer plays a note. The LED light changes color, and the OLED display shows the note being played. And it's different depending on which fruit I touch. What I like about this project is that it does not feel like a toy that only does one thing. It feels like a real system. The fruits act as the input. The ESP32S3 processes the touch signal and sends instructions, while the buzzer, LED strip, and OLED screen respond as the outputs. After spending more time with the project, I also finished setting up the guide mode. Next, I'm going to try guide mode. To enter this mode, long press the first fruit for 5 seconds. Now, the OLED screen tells me the next note to play. If I touch the correct fruit, the piano moves to the next note. If I touch the wrong fruit, the LEDs flash red. This makes the project feel like a simple music learning game. I'm not just playing random notes anymore. Instead, the piano is guiding me. Twinkle, twinkle, little Cut! Yeah, I just saved your ears from potential damage. The piano is in tune, but I am definitely not. Now for the exciting part, I'm going to integrate the Xiaozi AI module and pair it with the flute piano. Once the module is paired, I can send commands to control the lights and trigger notes wirelessly. Xiaozi, change the RGB to red.
Done! The light is now a nice warm red. Hope it sets the mood you're looking for.
Change RGB to green.
All set! The light is now a fresh green. Feeling like a little forest vibe?
Change it to flowing effect.
The flowing effect is on now. It's like a little light show in the room. Pretty cool, right?
Play C4.
Sure, let me play the note C4 for you.
Play D4.
Alright, playing D4 for you now. D4 is done. Sounds nice, right?
Isn't it cool? This started as individual hardware components, but now I was able to turn them into working piano with fruits as the keys. It has different modes. Free play mode lets me play any note I want. Guide mode tells me which note to play next. And with the Xiaozi AI, I can control the piano wirelessly. I started this project without knowing much about electronics, but by following the guides and lesson materials, I was able to build a working interactive project. Through this project, I learned how to wire hardware, upload code, debug mistakes, and turn separate components into a complete system. If you are a beginner who wants to learn coding and electronics, choose something fun and hands-on, this is a great product to try. I would also recommend this for parents and kids because the learning materials are easy to follow. The lessons are also divided into smaller parts, so learners are not overwhelmed with too much information at once. The quizzes also help check if you actually understand the lesson. Again, this is Insight One's Happy Fruit Piano. Check the description below for more information. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our future content.